Gen Z means Generation Z. It is the name of a group of people. People are put into groups based on the year they were born. Gen Z people were born around the years 1997 to 2012. Most students, teenagers, and young adults today are General Z. Why are they called Gen Z? Gen Z grew up with technology. They used mobile phones, the internet, and computers from childhood. They did not wait to learn technology. Technology was already part of their life. Because of this, Gen Z is called the digital generation. How Gen Z is different. Gen Z likes watching videos more than reading long books. They use YouTube, social media, and apps every day. Gen Z learns many things online. They like fast and simple information. Very easy example sentences. I am Gen Z because I use a smartphone every day. Most school students today are General Z. Gen Z likes watching short videos on YouTube. Gen Z uses the internet to study and learn. My younger brother belongs to General Z. Gen Z grows up with technology. Simple daily life examples. Using mobile apps is normal for General Z. Online classes are easy for General Z. Gen Z communicates through messages and videos. Easy memory line. Gen Z equals young people of the digital age.